हाँ, लाइक बचपन में मुझे पहले योगा ही उन्होंने क्लास में भेजा था. She put my brother and I into swimming. हम लोग साइकिलिंग करते थे. So she used to always encourage us to be. ऐसा नहीं है कि मैंने प्रेगनेंसी में उठ के सोचा कि चलो अब मैं करूंगी शीर्षासन. ऐसा नहीं है. I genuinely love this path. I love yoga. हर माँ चाहती है कि वो सब चीजें हों and you hope and pray and उसके बाद तो the soul has decided हम क्या decide करेंगे. Some people go on life without realizing it. But if you know what your purpose is, somehow your actions will align towards that. लोगों को really लगता है कि खुशी, फेम, पैसे और शोहरत से होती है. Hi guys, I'm Sonali A. Sajnani and you're watching me on Peeping Moon.
Hello everyone, this is me Komal Vishwakarma and today on Peeping Moon we have Sonali Sehgal. Hello, hi, how are you?
I'm good Komal, thank you. How are you?
I am doing amazing. आपसे मिलने के बाद और इंटरव्यू से पहले जो हमने बातचीत की उसके बाद तो I'm very happy, I'm very glad and I hope this conversation turns out really well.
I'm sure it will.
सबसे पहले तो you are inspiring us because you know in your third trimester also you're giving us interviews which is really commendable. काफी अच्छा लगा मुझे देखकर. So मेरा सबसे पहला सवाल तो यही होने वाला है. You are going to be a mother. You are expecting your first child. How is the feeling?
Amazing. I think it's nothing can beat this. I mean, yeah, maybe when I hold the baby in my arms will beat it, but right now I don't think anything else can. And it's you can't describe these things. You know, it's just so amazing. And whenever one experiences at whatever time that is, it's really the most beautiful. So I'm loving it every moment, every second.
What are your thoughts about motherhood?
So much, you know. It's something that I'm learning, of course. I feel like I'm reading up a lot about it. I'm observing more. I'm recognizing so much more from and realizing what my mother has done, observing other mothers. But I feel ये एक lifelong lesson या एक lifelong पढ़ाई journey कुछ भी word use कर लो रहने वाला है. Because you know, and I really believe that a mother is born when a child is born, right? Before that, you're a lady, you're just a girl, but you're a mother when your child is born. So I'm waiting to. I've started experiencing it and really excited for it. Yeah.
Any advice you would like to give to the young mothers or who are soon going to experience motherhood?
अभी तो मैं I am taking advice from all young
आपको
mothers.
advices मिले हैं क्या?
बहुत सारे.
बॉलीवुड से या किसी रिलेटिव से कहीं से?
बहुत सारे मिलते हैं. Some unwarranted, some asked for, but they all appreciated and सब अच्छे intention के साथ आते हैं. And I मैं सुनती सबकी हूँ, करती खुद की हूँ. But I have these 2-3 people, young mothers who are my go-to. One of them is my best friend Simran. She's had a baby. He's 1.5 now. So she's like, you know, obviously imagine now if this timeline is good because if it's your best friend, you can literally call her at 2:00 in the night and be like, okay, Sim, what? So and you can ask her all sorts of questions, like even embarrassing questions. So she's my go-to. And I have 1 or 2 more young mothers who are amazing, who really help me choose the right products and given me right suggestions, whether it's nannies, this, that, so everything. And uske alawa, I don't believe in calling too many people and asking too many people because then you just like setting up yourself for confusion.
How do you plan to work along with parenting?
No plan, but I'm more of a flow with life. So I definitely don't have a plan of, okay, this month I'm going to get back. And fortunately in our profession, we have that luxury, right? I can decide that if I don't want to work for the next 6 months, I won't work. If I feel like getting back to work, I just have to pick up a phone and, you know, I can get back to work. So I'm going to take it as it comes. And knowing me and knowing the kind of person I am, and I have experienced motherhood with my babies, Bounty, and my dogs, and they and Shamsher now. So of course, my motherly instinct comes out with them before having this human baby. So I know I'm a very involved. So imagine with a human baby, how much I would be. So I mean, I know it'll be a good long break, but when I don't know.
ऐसा कुछ सोच के रखा है certain values that you want to instill in your child?
Of course, हर माँ सोचती है. But it's not more like I have to instill this. You hope and pray. You know, there are few general things that we want the world to be a certain way. And for that, we need people to be a certain way. Basic things. So हर माँ चाहती है कि वो सब चीज़ें हों, and you hope and pray, and उसके बाद तो the soul has decided हम क्या decide करेंगे. They know what their purpose is.
Okay, lastly motherhood पे मेरा एक ही सवाल बचा है. What kind of parent do you aspire to become?
The good kind. Hopefully. Just someone who's I mean, I know all parents are doing their best, so just someone who's doing her best and not being too hard on herself or the child, and just accepting everything with gratitude. Yeah.
Okay, अगर बात की जाए acting के apart, so what are your interest in hobbies?
What do you think?
Fitness.
Yeah, I think
Inspiring people.
I love that's what I was saying. So when people ask me ना, जो हम बात कर रहे थे videos वगैरह जो post किए हैं मैंने, it's genuinely because ऐसा नहीं है कि मैंने प्रेगनेंसी में उठ के सोचा कि चलो अब मैं करूंगी शीर्षासन. ऐसा नहीं. I genuinely love this path. I love yoga, and I mean I think most people know it by now. So मेरा ये पैशन है, और इस पैशन को एट सम पॉइंट मैं वर्क में कन्वर्ट करना चाहती हूँ, किया है. I went ahead and I've done my teacher's training in yoga. Again, not many people, so I'm a certified yoga teacher.
Wow.
So it is really my passion. So I love fitness, and I love life. I love anything that upgrades my life. So I don't know if there's a word for it, but whether it's reading the Gita, or whether it's spirituality, whether it's meditating, whether it's chanting mantras or practicing yoga, anything that makes me a better person, a better version of myself, and connects me to a higher power is my passion.
But how do you balance both, like ये personal चीजें भी and professional भी?
But that's the sync, that's how it moves, and I feel that's in fact very very important. Because आज की दुनिया में not on especially actors, especially in our industry, but I feel even otherwise, if you don't have that one grounding factor to ground you to your true core or to the universe or whatever, then you kind of get lost somewhere. Or your mental health may suffer, or you feel like you're really doing well, but maybe mentally, spiritually, you're not. So I feel you always need that one thing. So for me, it's that. So it's not about balancing, it's more about complementing, in fact. It's not like it's an effort. So I remember मैं कुछ साल पहले, so every year I take off on some retreat, like alone. So either I go to Rishikesh for a yoga retreat or Mysore. So one year I'd gone to Coimbatore to Sadhguru's ashram. And I remember over there some people asking me that, I really want to ask you that why do you need to do this? I said, what do you mean? Like, because you're in this profession, you have everything. And I was doing the inner engineering course. वहाँ का एक course होता है, which is one of the things that they do. So the person's question was, and a lot of them had this question, that why do you need to work on yourself, or you need to meditate, or because you have everything? I'm like, firstly, I like that people assume that, you know, because you're in a profession like acting or you're in the public eye, you have everything. And B, even if you do, nobody has everything. You always want to, you know, you may have a lot of material things, yes. No complaints about that, but spiritually you still need to work on this. So I was fascinated कि लोगों की thinking ऐसी है. लोगों को really लगता है कि खुशी, fame, पैसे और शोहरत से होती है. Well, that's not the answer. That's what Jim Carrey also said, right?
I think inner peace is important.
Yeah, I mean, I really think material things are also important. We live in a material world. Absolutely. I love my work. I love to dress up. I love to live a good life. I work hard for it. But I think nothing's more important than peace at the end of the day.
Definitely. आपने spirituality की actually बात की, and मेरा actually एक सवाल भी था. Do you believe in spirituality?
clearly I
You
do.
do.
Yeah.
And how does it influence in your life?
A lot. I think everything, in fact, more and more so with every passing day. And I feel more now since I've been pregnant. I think even more. I've been following and doing the whole Garbh Sanskar, and that's where you learn and realize that. I like the confusion on your face, so cute. But yeah, so Garbh Sanskar is something where आप अपने बच्चे को womb के अंदर संस्कार देते हो. So there is a connection, and that's what is in our Vedas. And I am anyway a staunch believer of yoga, Ayurveda, and our Vedas say that you can teach the child a lot. So क्यों हम कहते हैं, like पहले ज़माने में कहते थे कि बुरा मत सुनो when you're pregnant and या एक रूम में रहो, बाहर मत निकलो. The point is because the child impressionable होता है, उसकी consciousness अंदर बनती है, right? So now when I know all of this more, when I'm pregnant, my belief in spirituality is even more. So I like to listen to, good talks. I like that my husband chants the Gayatri mantra. I love to read the Bhagavad Gita at this point. I'd been always wanting to read it, and then I started it now. And so I really believe that spirituality is a very, very important part of my life.
How did you find inner peace?
I won't say that I've found it, like am I at peace 24 hours all the months, every second? No. But how am I getting better at maintaining it with every passing year? I would say by my connect to spirituality. And एक ना योगा में एक टर्म होता है स्वाध्याय, सेल्फ स्टडी. I feel which is very extremely important. Like if you're a kind of a person who just goes through life, like we all do things we are not proud of, कभी गाड़ी चलाते हुए किसी पे गुस्सा आ जाता है या किसी से आप गंदी तरह बात करते हैं, then you realize कि हाँ ये मतलब I shouldn't have done it, but a lot of people are like हाँ कर दिया तो कर दिया ना, उसने भी तो ऐसे किया. Like this is the response. Most people live on autopilot. I feel if you are an aware person and you want to do better in life, yes, you will make mistakes. Yes, you will get irritated. Yes, especially if you're a Taurian like me and a Pitta Prakriti like me, you will get irritated a lot. You will, but the idea is to just study and take that moment and be like, okay, that wasn't good. I don't want to go down that path. I want to correct it and make it better. And the next time you don't do it. I feel that's how you get peace in life, because if you are able to do that, you are more peaceful, and it's vice versa. It's kind of like, if you know what I mean, like if you're more peaceful, then that also won't happen. So it's like a vicious circle in a way.
इससे से जुड़ा हुआ मेरा एक सवाल है, what is your philosophy on life?
Wow, कोमल जी, आपके questions तो बहुत ही deep है, मजा भी आ रहा है. What's my philosophy on life? That's a very broad question, but I feel, I'll answer it in the best possible way I can.
Yeah.
I feel we're given this life, okay, and we're all trying to like find answers, or maybe sometimes we're not even trying to find answers. We're just like living. I feel the idea is to find your purpose. I believe in purpose. I believe that everybody has a purpose, and some people go on life without realizing it. But if you know what your purpose is, somehow your actions will align towards that. And I think that's what life is. And you live it to the best capacity, as your best version, as the kindest person that you can, in alignment with your purpose.
Okay, हम fitness और wellness के बारे में बात करते हैं. आप एक die hard fitness core आपके अंदर है, वो मैंने देख लिया आपके पूरे Instagram feed पे, फिर आपसे बात करके भी. मैं जानना चाहती हूँ कि इंस्पिरेशन आपको कहाँ से आई?
Someone else also asked me recently, and I would say it's my mother. Not that कि वो मतलब when she will watch it, she'll laugh. She'll like, मैं fitness, ha ha ha. But she's very, very fit for her age. She does a lot on herself. But एक जो उन्होंने नींव बनाई है ना, like बचपन में मुझे पहले योगा ही उन्होंने क्लास में भेजा था. She put my brother and I into swimming. हम लोग cycling करते थे. So she used to always encourage us to be very outdoorsy and take up a lot of extra curricular activities like sports day में जाओ, dancing करो, ये करो. So वो जो experiences थे ना बचपन में, I think वो that feeling, that experience, definitely I would give the credit to my mother. So she always encouraged it. What I mean to say is that not that she was into fitness. Now I will impart this to my child because I am into fitness.
Yes.
She imparted into and imbibed these qualities in us without really being into fitness. You know, maybe because she knew that it's good for us, and then slowly she also kind of maintained it. And so I would give the credit to my mom. And then उसके बाद जब मैंने सब experience किया, cycling, swimming, dancing, yoga, everything, and eventually I really found my home and peace in yoga. So
how do you maintain your physical fitness even during pregnancy? Normal days पे तो चलो समझ में आता है, but in pregnancy also it is a tough task.
So it is, I wouldn't deny it, and I think the best way for me to deal with it was to take each day as it comes, and rather each trimester. So I had heard, and then I experienced it firsthand, that first trimester you're very low on energy, and I sort of accepted my body just the way it was. So there were days, so if people think कि मैं, मतलब मेरी अगर शीर्षासन की वीडियोस देख के लोग सोच रहे कि मैं फर्स्ट डे से ही पहले ट्राइमेस्टर से कर रही थी, नहीं. तो पहले 3 महीने I have literally just woken up, had a nice breakfast. No, actually I had a little bit of nausea, so I would not eat a big breakfast, but whatever, I ate something, slept, woken up, had a big lunch, slept, woken up. That's all I did. So it's not like I worked out like a maniac at that point, because my body did not allow it. So I let my body dictate. I would go for walks and everything. Second trimester, when I got that energy, I worked out because it felt normal to me and normal to my body. And doctors और सब यही बोलते हैं कि आप pregnant होने के दिन तक जो workouts आप कर रहे हो, you can safely do. आप उल्टा चलते हो, आप चल सकते हो. आप surfing करते हो, आप कर सकते हो. आप नया कुछ नहीं सीख सकते. That's what I tell everybody, that people who like, I know a lot of people are probably like, even मेरे relatives में भी कई लोग बोलते हैं कि अरे नहीं, क्या लटक रही है, नहीं करना चाहिए. But my point is that yes, आपको नहीं करना चाहिए. Someone who's not doing नहीं करना चाहिए. अगर मैं आज उठ के बोलूंगी कि मुझे ना जुहू बीच पे जाके ओशन के अंदर मुझे सर्फिंग करनी है, नहीं करनी चाहिए, because I've not done surfing. But other people जो करते हैं, yes, I have seen videos and I know people who are like in their second, third trimester and doing it because they are surfers. You know, they've been doing it. So whatever your body is used to. And खैर anyway, inversions और योगा का तो मैं यही बोलूंगी कि वो तो हमारे मतलब बुक्स में लिखा है, it is actually good for you, so that's there. But I've not taken fitness in pregnancies like, oh, I must maintain my body. I know my body is changing. I'm absolutely accepting it. I have fat in places where I know I shouldn't be having, and I know I'm totally in acceptance of that, and I'm very happy with that. I've never loved my body more. So even though I know it may not be perfect to a lot of people, but you know, I've never loved it, and I just want to feed it the right food and treat it the way I always have, with respect, and do something for it. And on a side note, when you work out, your baby gets more oxygen, so which is great.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
You know, आपसे बात करके मुझे इतना अच्छा लगा, especially with the spirituality part. It was actually बहुत ऐसे मैं चली गई थी इस conversation के अंदर. It was so nice, and you have gained immense knowledge in it. So yeah, that's it. बहुत मजा आपसे बात करके.
Thank you, Komal. मुझे yes, absolutely. It felt like a very different interview and genuine, and इस टॉपिक पे तो मैं कितनी भी बात कर सकती हूँ.
मैं भी. Thank you for your time.
Thank you so much.